If you've recently come across the Coolizi Portable AC, you might be wondering whether it's a legitimate cooling solution or just another overhyped product. The device is marketed as a portable climate control system that can both cool and heat a room, comes with a remote control, offers multiple operating modes, and supposedly requires no installation at all. On paper, it sounds incredibly convenient, but there are several concerns worth looking at before making a purchase. One of the biggest red flags is the claim that it works as a true air conditioner without requiring any installation, hoses, or exhaust system. Real air conditioners remove heat from a room and must release that heat somewhere else. That's why portable AC units normally use an exhaust hose connected to a window. If a device has no exhaust system, the heat has nowhere to go. In that case, it's much more likely to function as a fan, evaporative cooler, or spot cooler rather than a genuine room air conditioner. This makes the cooling claims seem unrealistic. Another concern is the advertising around energy efficiency. The product suggests it can cool rooms quickly while using very little electricity. However, actual cooling requires a significant amount of energy because heat must be physically removed from the room. The advertisements don't provide clear information about power consumption or wattage. Instead, they use vague phrases like low voltage and energy-efficient design, which can create unrealistic expectations about performance and operating costs. The marketing itself also raises questions. The website frequently uses phrases such as 50% off, limited time offer, high demand, and stock sells out quickly. These tactics are often designed to create urgency and encourage people to buy quickly without taking the time to research the product properly. There's also a major price concern. Similar versions of this product can reportedly be found on Alibaba for around $8.50, while the website sells it for roughly €250. Such a huge price difference suggests the possibility of a drop-shipping model, where a low-cost product is resold at a much higher price after a customer places an order. Finally, customer feedback across multiple platforms is largely negative. Many buyers claim the device works more like a basic fan than a real air conditioner. Others report misleading advertising, unauthorized charges, poor battery performance, fake or unverifiable reviews, and difficulties getting refunds. When the same complaints appear repeatedly from independent customers, it's hard to ignore those warning signs. So, is the Coolzy Portable AC a scam? While it may not be possible to say it's a 100% scam, it certainly raises several serious concerns. If you're considering buying one, it's best to be cautious, do your research, and keep your expectations realistic before spending your money.